So this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, with some great fuel efficiency as well. Coming with running boards down below as well, so you can have an easier time getting in, and a sleek new look inside and out. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, we have seating for three, spaciously and comfortably, with a nice full leather interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more in the middle here with a 12-volt USB and USB-C and a 120-volt power outlet. And the seats can also be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as three memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, pedals, and your mirrors. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, which is fully digital, and you have your trip 1 and 2 information, your eco behavior, auto start stop status, and driver assistance, and do also have your fuel economy there. But then you can back out and go into truck info, such as tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, seat belts, and driver assistance. And then your towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to the left side of the steering wheel, where you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system, and you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the underside. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, your favorite screen where you can put any sub-item for ease of access, again, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your remote camera view, hazards, traction control shut off, and then you do also have a premium B&O audio system in this vehicle, so your music's going to sound pretty decent. To the left of your screen, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, and then you just have your drive mode selector too for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts. And then on the other end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport modes, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. But then moving on to the right side, where you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as having this button to open the compartment above your glove box. And then in the middle, you have your audio controls and your climate controls with dual front climate, heated and air-conditioned front seats, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. Then down here, you have this compartment, which opens to reveal a USB, USB-C, and a slot for your phone while it's charging. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and it can also be collapsed, so you can have more open space here for whatever. And you have two cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest here with a removable tray, and inside you have a ton of room, including another USB and USB-C. And then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. And last but not least, a twin panel moonroof up top, so you can let in the sunshine on a nice sunny day. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.